Hi everyone, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to show y'all how I created this classic Barbie pony with a side part. So of course I started off with my favorite heat protectant, the flexible style hot off the press thermal heat protectant. And now I'm just going to tie my hair back into a mid-high ponytail. And then I'm going to take my Firm Style Super Clean Sculpting Gel just to tame any flyaways and secure all of my hair in the front in place. And now I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand just to give the ponytail a little bit more volume and texture. And now I'm going to take the Paul Mitchell Flexible Style ESP just to tame my baby hairs in the front. And of course I have to finish it off with a finishing spray, so today I'm going to use the NEURO finishing spray just to lock in my style so that it stays in place all day long. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. All products will be listed down below, and check back next week for a new video. Bye guys!